Hello, hello. I trust you're doing well. John Michaelides, Real Property Management of Sarasota and Manatee here. Listen, I had a question from a prospective owner client regarding discrimination. They wanted to know if they could only have female tenants. They had a bad experience in the past with a male tenant, and they've got it in their heads that all male tenants are evil. Therefore, I want to discriminate against males and only have a female tenant. My initial reaction was, are you really asking me this question? In the United States of America, lawyer central of the world, litigation capital of the planet, you're asking me if you're allowed to discriminate based on sex. That's really what they asked me. Please, the answer is no. See, there's a Federal Fair Housing Act which governs this kind of thing. And the Federal Fair Housing Act enumerates certain classes of individuals. And anyone who's a member of one of these enumerated classes, protected classes of individuals, cannot be treated any differently whatsoever as compared to anyone else, either applying for a property or current tenants in that owner's properties. So the protected classes are sex, meaning gender, male, female, race, color, hair color, eye color, skin color, national origin, disability, mental, physical, emotional disability, familial status. Familial status doesn't mean married, unmarried. That's what some people think it means. It means the presence of children, minors, under 18 years old in the household. You can't discriminate against someone because they do or do not have kids. So race, religion, color, national origin, sex, disability, familial status, all protected classes. Now, in addition to the Federal Fair Housing Act, landlords have to be aware of such things as the Americans with Disabilities Act, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, and here in Florida, Florida Statute 83, Part 2, residential tenancies, the residential part of the Landlord-Tenant Act here in Florida, Florida Statute 83. The point is, the only thing you can discriminate against is the color green. You can't afford to live here, or you can afford to live here. Now, also, you can look at credit reports and eviction histories and things, of course. But the point is factual data with respect to that individual's history that has nothing to do with protected class status. Huge potential liability should you break one of these rules. So short answer to that potential client's question was no, I'm sorry. We cannot advertise female only. Now, I have a pretty detailed article to go with this blog. You can go to our blog at rpmsaramana.com and look for this particular article, but nevertheless, no discrimination, okay? God bless you. Have a fantastic day. For all of your leasing and property management needs in Sarasota and Manatee Counties, Florida, contact Real Property Management of Sarasota and Manatee at 941-225-8183. God bless. Bye-bye.